Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Sharita and the name of my channel is Unique by Sharita. So in today's video, we'll be decorating my kitchen, hearth room, as well as the dining area, which is also known as the kitchen nook. We'll be adding a little bit of green for the spring. So please stay tuned for the rest of the video for great tips and tricks on how to achieve a look with actually adding a little bit of color. And for the most part, this area is already put together. I just want to add a pop of green just to achieve the look that I'm going for. So my bookshelf or bookcase is already decorated. I wanted to add these three little decorative accent pieces over here on this wall, and I'm going to put them on here, but I decided to come back and add a little bit more spacing, and you'll see that later in the video. Felt like I needed to space those three objects out a little bit more, so I'm just going to pop a little bit of green throughout the space as well as on top of the cabinets. But I'm not just going to put greenery up there, I'm going to put them inside of some clear glasses or clear vases with lids. If you're like me, I do not want greenery just hanging out on the top of my cabinets. I prefer to have them covered. So you'll see later on in the video where I did put some greenery on top of my cabinets, but I chose to put them inside of containers. So please stick around to the end of the video for more still shots of this area and videos of how this room flows together. Thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoy. So over here on the coffee table, I added a tray with some flowers and a couple little fixtures. And then I have my two trays I recently purchased from Home Goods. I used some green moss on them. And then I have my coffee table books. Now, I did have the gray one already. The other two are recent purchases. They actually will look great on the coffee. I do like the way the green, the light green and the dark green adds a little bit more texture to the coffee table. So I'm just going to take the book covers off of the books. And of course, you know I do like to add my candles to the coffee table as well as throughout my space. And for this particular look, we're going to add it to the coffee table. Right, so since all of these areas kind of meet up with each other, I do need to decorate and kind of put the items up that I was using in this area. So this is the part that a lot of times we don't show, but hey, this is what goes on behind the camera. Area is my laundry room and this area is my pantry. So I'll be doing a reveal of that area pretty soon as well. All right, so here's a look of the area again, and I do like to use storage on top of my cameras. And like I said, I did mention how I'm going to use my clear glass jars to put greenery inside of them instead of just putting greenery on top of your cabinets. We can put them inside of glass jars to achieve the look that we're going for. All right, everyone, we are coming to the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it gave you some motivation as well as ideas for your space. So if you haven't already subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. Turn your notification on so you'll be notified when I post videos. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day. Now here's a picture of the white birds on the fireplace mantle instead of the black birds. What a difference just some decorative items can make based on color. So we're going to add those black birds over on the countertop or the kitchen island.